Hey guys, so recently Nikkie Tutorials did a green inspired makeup look, and she said it was like a green makeup challenge because she never wears green. She does not like green, it's not her color at all. For me, green isn't really my kind of thing, but I will wear it. It's not something that I feel like, oh, I can't ever wear green, don't wear it, it's disgusting, it's horrible, like nothing like that. But I just don't gravitate toward green, so to do a green look, I feel like it's definitely outside of my comfort zone, but I'm happy to go there and explore it a little bit. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. I'm gonna be using my Inglot palette. I'm trying so hard not to dig my fingers into this. I'm going to be using those two greens at the top. Nikkie had an Inglot palette when she did hers. I don't know if she has the exact same shades that I do, because I don't remember her stating which shades she was using. I'm finding that this particular green just does not really want to move. Oh, and I think I forgot to say that I had already primed using my concealer. Oh, and just another thing as well, I'm not trying to recreate her look. It might be similar, but it's not going to be exactly what she had created. It's not often that I work with green. Like when she did her video, it was kind of like, hold on, yeah, I don't often draw for green. I don't have anything against green. It's not my favorite color, but it's not a complete write-off, you know? But yeah, it's not the shade that I would draw for on a daily basis. And I do have to also say, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, that the Inglot shadows, they are a little bit on the powdery side. They're not as creamy as some other shadows, but they are quite pigmented. So that's just something to keep in mind. Like, as I said, I'm finding it hard to move the shadows when I'm blending them because of the amount of pigment that they got. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the black from my Sleek palette, my Oh So Special palette. This looks beat the F up because I just, like, this is my Project Pan palette. I'm just gonna go in on the corner. So yeah, I don't really care too much about that palette as such and how it looks, because normally my palettes will look very clean, but I think with this one I'm just kind of like, whatever, I don't care. I've kind of dragged that black all the way over to the corner so that depth kind of runs throughout. I kind of like that. Now I'm using my Magic by Juvias. I'm going to use, hopefully you can see it, that green right there at the bottom. I believe it's called Buzo. Sorry if I'm butchering the name. And I'm just taking it up on a flat brush, and I'm just going to spray it. I'm going to put that right, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm speechless. That one shadow made the rest of the look just look complete and utter crap. Like, it just, Inglot what? Inglot who? Inglot where? Jeez. Oh my gosh, I love that green. Whew. And I barely had to pick up any. Oh, whew. Okay, so now I'm gonna go off camera, do the rest of my face, like my foundation and stuff like that. I'm gonna come back and I'm going to do the rest of my, like, this is like my lower lash line, etc, etc. So I'll be back. Okie dokie then. So I have done my, what have I done? Done my foundation, I've done my concealer, and I have lined my lips as well, but I haven't put anything on my lips as yet. I'm going to use my Sleek Distorted Dreams palette. This is a mess, but this green, this cream green here, hopefully you can see it, this cream green here, I'm gonna use my finger and kind of just dab that on. And then using my Moonchild palette, I'm going to be using Lucky Clover just here. Now I'm going to be using my Alien Velvetine. This is like the only green I own. Ooh, I could have done with a lip scrub. Okay, I absolutely hate this lipstick. Like, I think it's because I'm scared to put it on. It matches the foiled eyeshadow, but I don't like this, so I'm going to take it off. So now I'm going to add that deep green to the lash line. And then I'm going to use a little bit of mascara. And I used Cashmere on my lips because I just did not like that green. It was just too much green going on. And I don't think that that particular green was opaque enough, just a little bit too patchy. I absolutely love this look. I think it's so nice. Would I wear it out? I probably would, you know. Knowing me, I probably would. Not to work or anything like that, but I like that the lid has that pop and everything in the background is just a little bit more subtle, and there's a definite contrast between the lip and the eye, but it's just not too much. So overall, I really like this look. So overall, what do you think? Do you think it's a yay or a nay? Yeah or a nah? I absolutely love it. I love it. I don't think that I will be recreating anything like this again anytime soon, but yeah, I think it's cute. I think it's... Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.